Ban ai mensim susu ya ki samla pulih ki bra pas bah ka exam jong ka secondary school living certificate arja ka pra napok ka jirang constituency nakaliang ka program komiti hapok ka jinglam khmat dau ba sostenius sotun MLA ka than kalapun ku burom sundon ya ki sanpo arngut ki samla pulih ki balawan chakmat hakane ka exam SSLC kane ka jingpu ku burom ya ki samla pulih ka deru ka sin ka baningkong hakane ka constituency Bat kane kala urlong day da kajing simkhia do ba sostenius sotun ubala job don burom kum unong ikmat kathan haka election MLA arja kapra yakane ka program lapelong ha Saint Peter Secondary School kadhor hakane ka program purkup burom lawan bani simtahi da MLA ba sostenius sotun MDC ka jirang ba Victor Rani Father Kershan Lang Kharpuri Assistant Headmaster jongka Saint Peter SS uba Nickel R Marak Headmaster jongka Rang Sokona Secondary School uba Najim Kharmalki rangba shnong ka patarkhma ki headmaster na ki school baper kathan ki khna school bat ki kmi ki kpa layoru ya ki kentin kentu konfam bat ki jing aimen sim lengba uba Victor Rani Father Kershan kubjuru layo sngo ki jikren ai khuble lengba ka we ka samla pule ka bala sapun kub burom hakne ka sngi kum UMLA uba sostenius otun ulapun pau ba utrang ban kentiu ya ka pule ka puthi hakane ka than watla ki samla pule ki long sisa ki bastat bat ki batristom bat ki deru ki nong penpernai ya kalawe jong ka jirang constituency ula ongru bakum unum ikmat udon ya kathong banwara ya kilat punroy ki baper hapo kane ka jirang constituency
stage here to have this felicitation program but is only agreeing and as of now we are all here without the permission but because of his kindness we are all have this very good program here. I'd like to thank the principals of each and every school of this Tanjirang constituency who are present here. I'd like to thank the different admin orders of different villages. Congratulate the pass out students whom that we are having here this program in this very special day. And then I would like to thank those people who are cooperating with us. I would like to thank the media people who are coming to cover this program. Kubleshkun yang employ the Jodi. Kini kasin kapalikong nakaliang jonga kung MLA jong dari ketai adin ba narasimti ba Pynkup ya panganlong untuk MLA jong katen jirang constituency kini kasin kapalikong nakaliang jonga but ingin continue lagi 5-year term kat kapa dansa term kapangabat balada di extend hakwe berkekuat saya continue negara kasin ketika 5-year term kapan kapa nagayan cuma kami im cuma kalau pa ginhapan gintiu ya kapule kedarle agak constituency kejungi people in our constituency they are very competitive. The students of our constituency, students of different schools of our constituency, they are very competitive. Even though with their hard work, just to remind you, even though we lag behind in different developments, but I see that the students, they are very bright and competitive. I know that many students, they study, they do their homeworks without electricity. So I would like to request my dear students that don't put in your mind that we lag behind in development and you will put behind your studies. We should not blame this government. We are not blaming the government, we are not even blaming the present government. Can Ngani ke present government ke pemerintahan, all out efforts ngit persian. Nagalian janga UMLA janga ni ke time, UMLA janga ni ngadona ke government, bangga persian berkeren. Hamam lagi departments, berkeren berkintiu to uplift in all round developments, be education, be road connectivity, or health problem, water supply, gini ikam iban nakaleng juna kumu emily jompi ngam jing songkai. Ngaporsang dakala kuno ban warna ban kintiu dia ka konsensi ke jungi kumalong mene ikena school jaka konsensi ke jungi gimne ikena irobi ide ikena kibalong kibadon ni ka mensi kibadon ni ke cista ke bapaka ke bong lewa yaki wala jinge ibabon kibamagi ke kuno henry inang ini bagi students Iba meet na dari ke konsensi ke jungi. They are reaching the 70, 80, 90 plus marks. A very big congratulations to all the students who have passed out, especially for those students who have crossed the 60%. And I would like to request to all the students who have reached second, third, don't give up. This is for children. This is the beginning for all the students of class 10 who have just recently passed out.